Hi, Jayden. I'm going to make you a video that shows you how to log into Epic so you can go read those books. Okay, so right now I am on your Google Classroom, and so I'm going to go over to classwork and over to websites. So in here, I've written down the student code for you right here. So it's LCS 8092. So I'm going to go click here on Epic. And once you're here, go to this one, Students and Educators, because you are a student. So click on that one. And then over here. So this is where you type in LCS 8092. Or here. So I'm going to go. And that should take you to Epic. Now go find your name. So you're over here right beside Isabella. And Miss Sankoda sent you a book. Check it out. So I won't press that for you, so you go check it out. So this book is about race cars, and it is, I think, a level L or an M or an N. I can't remember exactly, but it's right at your reading level. Okay, so that's how you do it. Good luck, and we'll talk to you on Tuesday.